Hello guys, welcome to BST lectures. As I said, I will deal with AWS-CP certification. Now let us discuss about what are the concepts to be covered in our further videos, as well as the concepts which the certification contains. I mean the questions which you get in the certification. So let's go. The first concept in AWS-CP certification is cloud concepts. That is architecture of cloud, basic basic definitions, what are the benefits, what are the applications of the cloud, in how many ways the cloud can be used, the architecture, and so on, so things. Next, the security and compliance of cloud, AWS cloud. Okay. What is mean by security, how the security can be obtained to the cloud services. We'll have security attacks and how to minimize them, etc., etc. things. Next, technology is nothing but how the Amazon web services works, what are the services of cloud. Next, as we know, billing and pricing means how the bill, how for which services what is the billing, and how to calculate the billings, how they calculate prices, how we see the billing, and so on things. These are the four topics to be learned uh, to clear the certification. So next, let us go the weightage of the things for this certification. For the cloud concepts, you will get 24 percentage of bits, and for security and compliance, you will get 30% of the bits, and technology, that is services of cloud, you will get 34%, and billing and pricing, you will get 12% of the bits. Next, the minimum marks to clear the certification is 700. You need to get 700 marks in order to pass in this certification out of 1000. And we'll have two types of questions in this certification. One is multiple choice. I mean, you'll get to the four options. You have to choose the right one. And second type is you'll get four or five options. You have to choose two or more options in accordance with the question. Okay. Okay, guys, we have seen the types of questions given in the cloud, practitioner examination, and minimum marks required to pass the examination. Now I'll see the basic cloud concept, which is deployment models. Here is it. Deployment models for cloud computing. When selecting a cloud strategy, a company must consider factors such as required cloud application components, preferred resource management tools, and any legacy IT infrastructure requirements. We will select something. For suppose, let us take it's not related to cloud. For understanding purpose, I'm just telling you something. Let us take your account of Instagram. Instagram contains two types of accounts. One is this is just the basic public account, and another one is a private account. Public account, which can that is, everyone can see your post, everyone can comment, everyone can share your post, everyone can view your stories, etc. Things can be done by everybody. That is, which can be accessible by everyone. Private account means which is accessible only to the followers who follows you in the Instagram, right? In the same way, for the deployment models, we have to choose which feature should be accessible by which thing, whom. Okay, I think you got my point. In this way, we are having three types of deployment models, that is cloud based, on premises, and hybrid. Let us see what is meant by cloud based deployment model. Cloud based deployment model. This is also known as public deployment model. Run all parts of the application in the cloud. Migrate existing applications to the cloud. Design and build new applications in the cloud. These are the tasks that cloud based deployment can be do. Okay. Um, in a cloud based deployment model, you can migrate existing applications to the cloud, or you can design and build new applications in the cloud. That is, in the cloud based deployment model, um, suppose you have done some application, for suppose web application. If you have already known Python framework Django or MERN stack, that is React JS framework, some web application you have done in those using those frameworks, and you have to deploy in the AWS cloud, right? You can migrate that already existing application to the cloud, I mean AWS, and you can either migrate, or you can create and design new applications. You can build those applications on low level infrastructure that requires your IT staff to manage them. Basically, in a simpler words, cloud based deployment is a public deployment model, right? Next one is on premises deployment model, which is also known as private deployment model. In this model, resources are deployed on premises by using virtualization and resource management tools. And the uses of these are this deployment model is deploy resources by using virtualization and resource management tools, increase resource utilization by using application management and virtualization techniques. Let me explain using simple example. You might have applications that run on technology that is fully kept in your on premises data center. I have said that you have started in the previous video. I have said that you have started a startup and you have created on premises. I didn't use it the word on premises in the previous word. I said you have started your company and kept your data center servers in your company. This is called on premises. On premises means which is held everything in your company itself, right? If you have any question regarding private deployment model, that is, it's about on premises deployment. Okay, next let us see about hybrid deployment. Generally, what does the word hybrid senses? It's a combination of things, right? In the same way, this hybrid deployment is the combination of public plus private, that is cloud based plus on premises. In a hybrid deployment, cloud based resources are connected to on premises infrastructure. You might want to use this approach in many number of situations. For example, you have legacy applications that are better maintained on premises, or government regulations require your business to keep certain records on premises, right? You can also use cloud based also. For example, suppose that a company wants to use cloud services that can automate batch data processing and analytics. This is the very important thing, batch data processing. If you have a question that which deployment model uses batch data processing and analytics, you have to say that is the hybrid deployment model. Okay, right. The uses of this: connect cloud based resources to an on premises infrastructure, integrate cloud based resources using IT legacy applications. Okay, guys, this is in this video we have covered the syllabus of the AWS certification, minimum marks required to pass the certification, and the weightage of the topics, I mean cloud concepts 24%, like that, and the types of questions asked in the examination, and the basic deployment models of the cloud computing. In the next session, we'll discuss about EC2 instances, which is a computation model of cloud. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Give your valuable comments in our comment section.